Alright, that's been tightened down. Screw to access back here. One more screw to tighten here. Then I'll be done with step 9, 10, 11, step 12. Okay, now since I already have this here in this direction, I think I'll go ahead and tighten these fender washers. I'm using a pair of needle nails. A little socket and ratchet with an extension would probably work great. Which I have plenty of tools, just like again, just not handy. So again, just tightening these N3 screws here. Plate number 1, acrylic piece number 1 to acrylic fender washer, Y-axis. As you can see, it's not too hard to handle certain things once you get to it. I mean, just be smart about it. Move this to the end, then tilted it over to where I needed it. Now, going on step 13, I'm going to need 2 of the stepper motors, which are part number 76s. Okay. So that's here. Unwind those. Straighten them out a little bit. Okay, we're also going to need 8 of the N3 by 12 screws, number 25. Six, 7, and 8. Okay. Now we're going to thread each of these wires through the bottom hole, and we tilt this back so you guys can see it. Just a little bit better. Yeah, it's a lot better. This is where I'm going to be placing the motors, as well as get this one into the camera shot. Well, there we go. So these sit nicely. They have in acrylic a little cutout for this little lip on the stepper motor, and it sits and centers itself nicely. Now again, we're going to add some of these M3 flat washers, 8 of them to be exact. And I'm going to be putting the flat washers onto the screw like so. Dogs are just having a blast today. Okay, I need 2 more washers. And again, the M3 flat washers are part number 7. The M3 by 12 screws are part number 25. And the stepper motors are part number 76. So, you're going to center your stepper motor and thread in the screw. I'm going to add 2 so I can change my angle of work here. And actually, I missed a step. I said it out loud and I didn't physically do it yet, which is taking this wire here. And there's a small little cutout right here where you're going to feed the molex connector. And just pass that through gently, turning the stepper motor around so that that connector will face that port cut out in the acrylic. At which point you could take the washer and the screw, M3 screw, and secure that. Like so. So, feed that around there. Do the same with the opposite end. You can see this port right there that's flashing on and off. Take this wire, feed it like so. Again, having the connector of the stepper motor face that same hole, using that lip to center the stepper motor, and placing 2 screws diagonally in each of the diagonal corners, just to hold it in place for me. I think I'll just go ahead and do a 4 in this one and change the angle of view for the camera to have a better shot. Okay. Now every time I set this down, I'm constantly checking that I'm not pinching the wires in any way. Managing the cables as best I can for the time being. As you can see, I placed 2 there. I'll place the other one here. Okay. Placing the final screw in the 4th stepper hole there. I'll go ahead and just hand thread that on and tighten everything down. so. Again, going in a diagonal pattern of tightening. Today's a noisy day with so many trains. And my dog's going crazy, so my apologies. Oh, these I want to make sure they're nice and snug. Right. So. Okay. Let me tighten the other side down real quick. Now the Z motors, it doesn't matter which one is which. All four of these stepper motors are the same. The only one that is different is the higher torque stepper motor that's already assembled on the print head assembly. Dogs thinking it's their world. Okay, that's done with step 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, yes, step 13. And we'll be going on to step 14 in the next video. Bye, y'all.